Hello dear students, hope you have enjoyed your puja holidays. So let us start our classes. So according to your syllabus given, we have to start our chapter 7, that is your cubes and cube roots. Okay. So here in the last chapter in your half yearly syllabus, we have done your squares and square roots. Before starting squares and square roots, I have given so many rules whether to find whether a number is a square root, perfect square or not, these, that, so many things. Here, nothing to explain more, just a introduction. Cube roots, okay? Cubes and cube roots. Cubes means suppose one cube. What is the one cube? Means 1. 2 cube, 8. 3 cube, 27. 4 cube, 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. 5 cube, 125. These are the cubes. And cube root of 125 will be 5. Cube root of 64 will be 4 in this way. Now, if a number is given to you, how can you judge, okay, or how can you say this number is a perfect cube or not? Okay, this is the question first. After that very small lesson, a few topics are only there. Very small, only 2 classes hardly. I will need to finish up the chapter. Okay. So first of all, let us see if a number is given to you, how to find out that this number is a perfect cube or not. Okay. For this, I am not going to any example. The first question of the exercise is itself the same thing. Okay. So let us see. Which exercise 7.1, question number 1. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? Okay, we will find are perfect cubes oblique not perfect cubes. Okay, clear? Okay, which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? The question is here. Let us change a little bit the question. Which of the following are perfect cubes oblique not perfect cubes? Okay, so first question is question number 1. It is 216. Question number 1. It is 260. How to do? We have to, so in the square root chapter, we have seen that if the last digit, that is the unit place, is what? 2, 3, 2, 3, 7, 8. No? 2, 3, 7, 8. Is it or not? 2, 3, 7, 8. Then these numbers cannot be perfect squares. We have seen it. No? Okay. Now, here you see, here there is no such rule. There is no such rule. We have to factorize it. What to do? See, 2, 2 1 is 2, 0, 2 8 is 16. Then 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8. Then 2 2 2 is 4, 1, 2 7 is 14. Then 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9. So what are the factors? 216 equal to 2. This. Now, in the square roots we have made pairs. Here we will make triplets. So what? Here you see, since the factors can be arranged as groups of 3. Therefore 216 is a perfect cube. In this way, you are to find out. If the factors can be arranged as groups of 3, then that particular number will be a perfect cube. Okay? In this way, we will find out whether a number is a perfect cube or not. Okay? Clear to me? Write down the things properly, my dear students. Now see the next one. It is 128. Okay? So what to do? 2. 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. 2 16 is 2 8 is 2 4 is 2 2 is. Okay? Clear? So 128 equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Is it or not? Yes. Now make triplets. Here you see. Okay, here triplet You cannot write all the factors as group of 3. So what you write, since the factors cannot be arranged as groups of 3, therefore what? This is not 216, this is 128 is not a perfect. Understood, my dear students? In this way, by factorizing the numbers, by finding out the prime factors or by doing prime factorization, we will find whether a number is a perfect cube or not. Okay? Clear all of you? All of you clear? Okay, let us go to the next question. Okay? Now see. Now let us see question number 2. What is in question number 2? Question number 2 given. Here 1, 2, 3 is there. Question number 4 not there in the syllabus. Okay? Question number 2. Find the smallest number by which the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. Okay? Now you have to find out the smallest number by which these numbers must be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. So my dear students, that means these numbers are not perfect cubes. Obviously, these are not perfect cubes. You have to find out the smallest number by which these numbers must be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Okay. Question number 2, 243. 2, 1. Okay. 2, 1, 243. Let us factorize it first of all. 243. It is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 2. Let us do by 3. Yes. 3 8 is 24. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6, remainder 2, 3 7 is 21, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9. So what we can write, 243 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now see, make triplet. Now my dear students, when a number is a perfect cube, now a number is a perfect cube when the factors form triplet. Is it or not? When the factors form triplet, we say that these numbers are perfect cubes. Now see here, see one thing, if you multiply 1 3 here, that means it will form a triplet. If it forms a triplet, means what? This number is a perfect cube. That means what is the smallest number which you have to multiply here to make it a perfect cube? You have to multiply by 3. Okay. So what we will write? Therefore, the required means, if you write the word required means everything which whatever is given in the question, everything comes under this. Therefore, the required smallest number is how much? 3. That means if you multiply this number by 1 3, it will make a triplet. Okay, and it will become a perfect cube. Okay, my dear students, clear to me? Clear? So this is how you are to find if a number is given to you and not a perfect cube. You can find that by which number you can find the smallest number by which it can be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Okay? Let us see one more. Now see, question number 5. Same question number 5. Okay? Here also you are to find out the smallest number by which 100 must be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Okay? So 2, that means here 50. Then 2, 25. Then your 5, 5. Okay? What are the factors, my dear students? 100 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now see, here neither 2 forms a triplet nor 5 forms a triplet. That means if you multiply 1, 2 here and another 5 here, 2, it will form a triplet. If you multiply by 5, it will form a triplet. That means you have to multiply here by 2, you have to multiply here by 5. That means what? 2 into 5. It is the smallest number is 2 into 5. That is your 10. Hope you have understood. Just you have to find out the smallest number by which you have to multiply to make it a triplet. Okay, so here 2 is not forming a triplet. You have to multiply by it by 2. Here 5 is also not forming a triplet. That means you have to multiply by 5. So 2 into 5 is 10. That means 10 is the smallest number. Okay, by which 100 multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Okay, clear? Now let me go to the next question. Okay. Okay, now see, next question. Question number 3. 1, 2 and 3 is there in your syllabus. Okay. Question number 3. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided to make you obtain a perfect cube. You are to divide it. Okay. You are to find out the smallest number by which 81 must be divided to make it a perfect cube. Same thing. Let us go for factorization. 81. Okay. 81 is 3, 27. 3, 9. 3, 3. So 81 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now see, you have to divide, remember it. That means here you see, my dear students, if you divide this is the factorization of 81. If you divide by 3, these 3 will get cancelled. Okay? That means regarding multiplication, you are to include. Regarding division, you are to exclude. Remember it. So if you divide this by 3, these 3 will get cancelled. Automatically, it forms a triplet. Triplet will be there. That means 3 is the smallest number by which if you divide 81, it will become a perfect cube. It is 1, 3. Now, one extra question, my dear students. If you are asked to find what is the smallest number by which 81 must be multiplied to make it a perfect cube, what will be the number? If you have to multiply. Now see, multiply. That means to make it a triplet, you have to multiply by 2 3s. So 3 3s are 9. If you are to multiply it, then 9 is the smallest number by which it should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. If division, then the answer is 3. If multiplication, the answer is 9. Okay? Hope you have understood. Okay? Write down it. I'll do one more from this question. Okay? Clear? Now see. Now, question number 5, 704. Let us see. So, 2 3 is 6, remainder 1, 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2, remainder 1, 15, 2 7 is 14, 1, 2 6 is 12. Is it or not? Yes. 2 8 is 16, 1, 2 8 is 16. 2 44. Then 2 22. Okay. Then 2 11. These are the factors. I think this one, 2 3 is 6, 1 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4. 2 1 is 2, 1 2 7 is 14, carry 1, 2 6 is 12. 2 8 is 16, 1 2 8 is 16, 44. Okay. That means 704. I am writing here 3 twos, 3 twos, 3 twos, 6 twos. Sorry, 6 twos and 1 11. Make triplet this one. Okay. So you have to divide it. Now if you divide by 11, this 11 will cancel with this 11. That means here your triplet remains. That means the smallest number by which 704 must be divided to make it a perfect cube is your 11. Okay? Clear? Write down the things properly, my dear students. Have a glance on the board and write down the things very properly. Okay? So this is all about your first exercise. Exercise 7.1. Two exercises are there, 7.1 and 7.2. Okay, 7.1 already over. And question number 4 is not required from this exercise. Okay. So with this, my dear students, we have come to the end of the class. In the next class, we'll learn about finding cube roots. As you have learned finding square roots in the last chapter, here we'll learn how to find out the cube roots of the given numbers. This much for today, my dear students. Thank you all.